From the very beginning, Bosch Professional has been investing in the development of their innovative tool lineup. So in today's video, we will show you some Bosch tools you have probably never seen before. Laser leveling tool has no rivals in the field of outdoor and indoor construction projects. That's why Bosch designed the GRL 4090 CHVG rotary laser with great innovation. It's a connected self-leveling horizontal and vertical laser kit that also features UCal user calibration. So you'll get a comprehensive solution for precise and accurate points of reference, especially on a commercial job. Plus, it provides up to 4,000 feet working range, meaning you no longer have to bear the pain of large sites. In terms of durability, this rotary laser has an IP68 rating, which means it can withstand all rough situations and drops in harsh job sites. Aside from that, the GRL 4090 CHVG comes with an included tripod that makes positioning perfect and exact. This GWI 108 cordless screwdriver you see here will be a good option if you work on light to medium jobs such as tightening cabinet door hinges, removing outlet covers, etc. It's a compact and versatile tool that takes minimal effort to complete the job. The best thing about this tool is its 5-positional head, which you can set between 0 and 90 degrees to get the utmost comfort while driving in unusual spaces. On top of that, the GWI 108 screwdriver features a 7-stage electronic torque adjustment that lets you achieve the highest precision from job to job. In addition, it ensures powerful drilling of up to 10 millimeters. No wonder the comfy ergonomics will take out all the hassles of operation. Using handheld materials to scrub stubborn dust and metal rust is a great hassle. But if you have the Bosch universal brush nearby, things will be easier and more fun to do. Don't get fooled by the size. This tiny tool provides substantial scrubbing power to remove limescale, mold, and soap residue from tiles and grout. It helps you bring back the shiny look to your glasses. And if you need to change the pad frequently for different surfaces, the hook and loop fastening system will make it happen in no time. The best part of this little scrubber is that it supports various accessories, meaning you can tackle various detail cleaning tasks without changing your tool. Not just that, this tool is absolutely waterproof, so you don't need to worry about accidental splashes. When it comes to making some straight cuts in light woodworking projects, the Bosch EasyCut 12 comes in handy and gets your sawing done in mere time. Thanks to the innovative nanoblade technology, this EasyCut 12 allows you to make freehand cuts even without clamping the workpiece. Plus, this tool has a compact design and great ergonomics, making it ideal for sawing inside and outside the house. Apart from the size, this tool lets you change the blade quickly without any pain, and you don't need to tension and oil the chain. Another cool feature without saying is it has the Neon chip technology that extends total runtime and improves productivity. Long story short, the Bosch GOP 12V28 multi-tool can perform a wide range of tasks, including cutting, sanding, grinding, etc. This tool has a magnetic 3D interface that provides stable positioning, support for safe mounting, and maintains 100% power transmission for the highest work progress. Most importantly, you can set the oscillating speed between 5,000 and 20,000 RPM, which means each application will achieve the best possible results. No matter which project you have in hand, wood sanding, plastic cutting, or plunge cutting, the GOP 12V28 will handle them all. There's more. This tool also features the Starluck sanding finger, which makes narrow space sanding even easier and safer. When it comes to maintaining a beautiful lawn, you just don't do it because it's hot, sweaty, and exhausting. This is where the Bosch Indigo comes into play and saves you from the pain. It's an innovative and effective robotic lawnmower which brings a neat look to your lawns of up to 700 meter squares. You can manage this lawnmower through a dedicated app and complete large area mowing without even going there. On top of that, this Indigo mower works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT, so your lawn mowing will be smarter and more accessible than ever. When the battery goes down, it automatically returns to the charging station. Oh, it also features bumping sensing, so there's no chance of hitting any objects around the lawn. Looking for an efficient tire inflator that you can carry on the go? Meet the Bosch EasyPump inflator. It's made for so many applications. This tool comes with a large display and onboard accessories for a wide variety of inflatables. You can rotate the inflation hose at 360 degrees to work with great flexibility. Despite having a compact size, it can easily inflate your bicycle tires, car tires, and many more you can think of. And when it comes to storing it, you don't need to free up any extra space for the Bosch EasyPump. Just pick, plug, and pump. Sometimes you just look for versatility when purchasing something new. So meet Bosch GRO 108 VLI. It's a handy, compact, yet powerful rotary tool for all professional applications. Most importantly, it lets you adjust the speed for adapting to different materials. Plus, it equips with a powerful motor that never lets you down in terms of efficiency. On the other hand, it allows fast accessory charging with its spindle lock and supports a variety of accessories to tackle multiple operations. The GRO 108 VLI is ideal for nearly all kinds of crafting tasks, like cutting, sanding, routing, or polishing, especially in hard-to-reach areas. Due to its lightweight design, it's very comfortable to use. This rotary tool also features an onboard LED light that illuminates all dark areas. Maintaining indoor plants with a standard hedge trimmer? That's a bad idea. Instead, you better go with the Bosch Izio 3 grass shears. This Izio is a versatile grass and shrub shear that comes with a surprisingly compact design and lets you tackle multiple applications around your home. This 3.6-volt tool provides powerful performance while bringing a neat and well-edged look to all your favorite plants. The best part of this tool is it enables quick accessory changing so you can take proper care of the plants without wasting much time. Let's conclude today's list with the Bosch Universal Hammer. Though it's made to handle the toughest tasks, it comes with a handy and compact design, so you can use it for a prolonged time, even on overhead applications too. It allows you to drill in concrete up to 16 millimeters thick and provides ultimate rotation control for better outcomes. You'll never miss your drilling targets again, thanks to the vibration reduction technology. On top of that, this hammer also supports attachments for chiseling and wood drilling. Last but not least, the 360 rotating handle makes sure you get the ultimate flexibility when on any demanding project. So that was the list of the Bosch tools you have probably never seen before. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.